Welcome everyone to the channel. Today I will show you a simple way to add a Trello card directly to your phone's home screen. This method allows you to access your important Trello cards faster and stay organized without opening the full app each time. First, open the Trello app on your mobile device. Next, navigate to the board and select the card to which you want to manage. Tap on the card to open its details. Once you have opened the card, look at the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu. Then, from the menu options, select Pin to Home Screen. A confirmation will appear, asking if you want to add this card. Finally, tap Add, and the card will appear on your home screen for quick access whenever you need it. By using this method, you can keep your most important Trello cards within reach without navigating. Thank you for watching this guide on adding Trello cards to your home screen. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others who might benefit.